VW Tiguan. This is the 2017 model. How to change the brake pads with VCDS, right? So obviously you're gonna need VCDS. So you need to have ignition on. Yeah, ignition on, or if it's keyless start, press the button without starting the engine. Yeah, handbrake off, not on, off. So foot on the brake, release it, make sure it's released. Okay, this is an automatic, manual will be probably the same. There's no change, it's just that in here you're gonna have the gear selector. But anyway, yeah, go to VCDS. Let's go back so you can see the welcome screen. Okay, I'll use the mouse so my finger won't be in the way. Select control module, ABS brakes. This is not like the older Passat where you have a module for it. It connects to the ABS. Now, no security access, nothing. Basic settings, and then selecting here, start lining, change mode, right? This basically, it starts winding back so you can change it. So you click on it, you're gonna click go, finish correctly. Obviously you're gonna get a fault in there, don't get scared. You change the discs, pads, whatever you need to change, and once you finish, well, just a quick note, turn the ignition off. Ignition is gonna, I tried to turn off the ignition, close VCDS, close everything, and then when you come back and you have finished, changing the pads or discs, you're gonna click end lining change mode. So basically this will push back the calipers. You click go, let it run until it says end, finish it correctly. Yeah, and then to end it you click stop and don't go back. And basically this is it. Thanks for watching.